Hey, Tube, welcome back. Today we talk about monitoring. What is monitoring? Monitoring, in the context of IT and system operations, refers to the continuous observation, tracking, and management of the system performance and health of various components of an IT infrastructure. This includes servers, applications, networks, and other hardware or software elements. The goal of monitoring is to ensure that these systems operate efficiently and to proactively detect the resolve issues that could affect their performance or availability. So let's take an example. So if we have a system, so let's make it quite bold. We have a client, and this client is connected with a server, and the server has obtaining the data from a database, DB, and we want to know what's going on in the server. Because of that, we will use the monitoring. So we know the health checks, we know how many requests are there. Basically, we want to know all the numeric components or the numeric values of the system. So we to know when we should or where should we upgrade, when we should upgrade it, or what's going on here. We can detect potential errors, etc. So let's talk about some key aspects of the monitoring because I guess it's quite important to understand these key aspects. And quick notice that I should say I am describing everything in context of system design and review, and because of that you only required or you only have to know monitoring on high level. We don't have to know monitoring how monitoring really works deep dive. So let's talk about the performance monitoring. This one tracks and measures various metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, disk activity, and network traffic. This helps in understanding how well the systems and applications are performing and identifies potential bottlenecks or inefficiencies. We have health monitoring. This one focuses on the overall health of the operability of systems. This involves checking system components for errors or failures, ensuring that all critical services are running and that systems are functioning within their operational threshold. Number three, network monitoring. Um, This one involves overseeing the network to ensure that it delivers high performance and reliability. This includes monitoring network traffic, analyzing bandwidth usage, and detecting network anomalies or failures. Number four, application monitoring. This one deals with observing application performance and ensuring that applications are running correctly. This includes tracking response times, error rates, and transaction volumes. Number five, security monitoring. This focuses on protecting systems from internal and external threats. This includes monitoring for suspicious activities, analyzing security logs, and detecting potential security breaches. And lastly, number six, log monitoring. This one involves collecting and analyzing log files generated by systems, applications, or security devices. This helps in diagnosing problems, understanding system behavior, and maintaining records for compliance purpose. Um, if we want to talk about the tools, because I guess it's quite important, or maybe you might face this in your interview. If we want to talk about the tools and techniques used in monitoring, maybe we talk about four or five things. First, we might talk about monitoring tools. This one, software like Prothys or Zapex or Nagios also. These are commonly used for gathering and analyzing performance data. If you want to talk about like log management tools, solutions like Splunk, the Elk stack like Elasticsearch, Logstash, or Kibana, and Graylog help in managing and analyzing log data. Um, Visualizing tools. Tools like Grafana provide powerful visualization capabilities for monitoring data, making it easier to interpret and react to the information persistent. And lastly, we have alerting systems. These systems are set to send notifications or alerts when certain predefined conditions are met, allowing IT personnel to take immediate action. Let's talk about the benefits from using monitoring and what we get from that. The first thing that we talk about it will be the proactivity allows IT teams to identify and address issues before they impact the business operations. Number two, we will talk about the optimization. Here we provide insights that help in optimizing system performance and resource utilization. And number three, we talk about availability. So enhances systems availability by reducing downtime through quick detecting and resolutions of issues. And lastly, oh no, lastly, we have compliance. No, ah, it's not working as I wanted to. Yeah, compliance. Here we helps in maintaining compliance with various regularity requirements by ensuring systems are operating seriously and logs are maintained properly. Overall, monitoring is fundamental practice in IT management, essential for maintaining the reliability, performance, and security of technology systems. It enables organizations to manage their IT operations more effectively and ensure that technology effectively supports business processes. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video, and see you in future problem.